Good morning guys, in front of me is NOKIA XR21 and let me show you how to apply dark theme. At first unroll the list of all apps and go to settings. Let me just switch off auto rotation so we can see it clearly. So once we are in settings, we have to locate the display. And here we've got dark theme. So to apply it smoothly, click on the indicator, and once you want to personalize it a bit more, just click on the left side of the button where you can schedule your dark theme. So it can be active either at custom hours or from sunset to sunrise. So just pick the option, then set up the hours or smoothly select from sunset to sunrise, and that's it. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.